Are car dealerships out of control? What if I told you that some trucks now cost over $150,000? Not because of performance, not because of innovation, but simply because of greed. Today, we're diving deep into how dealerships are adding $60,000 to $80,000 worth of markups and packages to trucks to squeeze every last dollar from buyers. Let's break it down. So for example, we have this $70,000 truck from the factory, and it has a Black Widow kit on top of it that is $24,000. So that brings it to $94,000 before tax, tags, and fees. And as a former car salesman with 7 years of experience, I'm telling you guys, every time we had a person buy one of these trucks right here, the entire dealership was celebrating. You know why? Because these are the trucks that they make the most money on. From bogus protection plans to outrageous dealer-installed accessories, dealerships are turning affordable trucks into six-figure monsters. Is this legal, ethical, even sustainable? Let's get into how it's happening and how to protect yourself. Let's say you're looking at a Ford F-150, Ram TRX, or GMC Sierra Denali. Base MSRP, $65,000 to $75,000. But on the lot, that truck is listed at $130,000. Why? Here's how they do it. These aren't factory packages. These are dealer add-ons that you're looking at here on the screen. Inflated accessories that cost a fraction of the price but are marked up 400 to 800%. Most dealers are slapping on custom wheels, lights, badges, limited edition paint jobs, and then doubling the price. So why the greed? Well, it goes back to 2021. Supply chain issues made new cars scarce. Dealers started marking up vehicles and consumers paid the premium. Fast forward to 2025, inventory is back, but the greed did not stop. Dealers saw the profits and they want to keep riding that wave. Trucks especially have become their golden goose. Buyers love them, and many don't realize they're paying for non-essential, overhyped upgrades. Let's break down a real example. A truck comes in with one of these lift kits. You can take a look at this window sticker here. This is a 2023 brand new truck. MSRP is $73,135. Now, if you take a look at the sticker to the left, you can see it is marked all the way up to $104,000 simply because it has a lift, wheels, tires, bumpers, stuff like that. These parts are often lower quality than what you would install yourself. And once installed, you are stuck. Dealers will not remove them. They will just sell them to the next guy. They add on top of your warranties to give you quote unquote peace of mind, but some dealers bury these packages in fine print. You might see an ad online for a $68,000 truck that looks absolutely fantastic, but when you get there, the truck is like this. $140,000 for this truck that I'm showing here on the screen. Base price is $74,000. And with the ridiculous add-ons, a supercharger, wheels, tires, tonneau cover, this truck is $140,000. This is called the bait and switch tactic. It's shady, but it's still legal in most states. And the worst part, if you finance, you're paying interest on those markups. Most people now are extending their terms out to 84 months on trucks like this. These inflated truck prices affect everyone. It raises the average price of new and used trucks. It causes negative equity for buyers who overpaid. Every single time we sold one of these at the car dealership I used to work at, people were at least $50,000 upside down. Because when you go to trade in one of these trucks, you're going to take it back to the dealership and they're going to tell you the accessories add no value to the vehicle. So they're going to appraise it like it doesn't have a lift, like it doesn't have wheels and tires on it, like it doesn't have the supercharger. And guys, don't even get me started on these EV trucks. But back to the real issue. Here's how you're going to protect yourself when you're taking a look at trucks at a dealership and they try and put you on one of these. Always ask for a breakdown of every line item on the sticker. Now that includes tax tags and fees. You'll notice most dealers will not show you the accessories up front, but when you go to talk price on the vehicle, you'll be surprised by a ton of fees. Nitrogen, window tint, wheels, tires, lift, tonneau covers, bed liner, the list never ends. Make sure you guys are refusing dealer add-ons you didn't request. Order direct from the factory when possible. This is especially hard to do nowadays. Lots of dealerships have agreements with the state, so you are unable to order directly from the factory in most states. But there's still a way around this, guys. You just have to be smart. Shop out of state. Most of the time, nearby markets have local incentives, and it actually makes the trucks way cheaper. Use car buying services or brokers that fight markups. Guys, if you are in the market for a truck, I am here to help. I will have my email here in the description down below, and I will do all of the fighting for you to get the best deal possible on any new or used vehicle that you guys are looking for. Also, finance only what the truck is worth, not all the fluff. Most of the trucks that I've showed in this video are marked up to almost $94,000 to $140,000. And taking a look at them, they're just normal trucks with very minimal add-ons that are super low quality and add little to no value with some badges. But you'll see most of these are 2023 models that have been sitting here for years. The paint is extremely damaged. It's covered in dirt, covered in bird poop. Guys, it is not worth it. The car buying game is changing, but the greed is still real. Nothing is ever going to change with these car dealership guys. Stay smart. Don't pay $80,000 for $8,000 worth of mods. Also, make sure you guys like this video if you enjoyed and hit that subscribe button down below. My name is Joshua McDonald, and I'll be showing you guys more car buying tips, and we're also going to take a look at all of the new 2026 models coming out here soon. Leave a comment down below on your thoughts of these extremely overpriced vehicles that you guys are seeing at car dealerships nowadays. Have you guys ever found yourselves taking a look at one of these online and came in to realize that it's marked up and costs way more than what it should be? Let me know in the comments down below. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you tune in next time. I'll be posting every other day. See you guys next time.